The Wichita Falls Police Department will soon be purchasing 3 new BMW motorcycles following the approval of a City Council resolution this morning. The total cost for the motorcycles will be $81,533. Chief Manuel Borrego says the department replaces bikes every 3 years due to mileage and safety concerns.
They're a great bike. They perform well for what they do. They last longer than what typically the bikes that we have, so they are aging a little longer before we have to replace them. But they come fully dressed. They come with all the lights and sirens on them.
Before transitioning to BMW, the department used to drive Kawasaki bikes before it stopped making its version of the police bike. Motorcycle officers for Wichita Falls also recently switched their uniforms from the traditional uniform to a brighter, more reflective one. Chief Borrego says these uniforms are easier to see and help the officers stay safe, especially when it's dark outside.